Meaning of derisive.
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 Derisive. Derisive means showing contempt or ridicule towards someone or something. It is often used to describe behavior or remarks that are intended to mock or belittle. When someone makes a derisive comment, they are expressing scorn or disdain for someone or something. This can be hurtful and damaging, as it can make the target feel foolish or inferior. Derisive behavior can also create an atmosphere of hostility and negativity, making it difficult for people to work together or communicate effectively. Overall, derision is a negative and unhelpful approach to dealing with others.